You've put in the work, thousands of hours in the gym, turning your jab into a razor, your cross into a piston. Your footwork is automatic. Every defensive twitch is programmed into your DNA. But then the bell rings, and your opponent does one simple thing that makes all of that training, all of that muscle memory practically useless. What is it? They put their right foot forward. Suddenly, the entire game is inverted. The angles are wrong. The targets you've drilled 1,000,000 times are gone. Your best instincts now lead you straight into danger. You're not fighting an opponent, you're fighting your own programming. And this is the brutal truth. Against a southpaw, your orthodox training isn't your greatest weapon. It's your biggest liability. Imagine mastering driving on the right side of the road, then getting dropped into a country where they drive on the left. Your instincts will get you killed. That is exactly what happens to an orthodox fighter when they face a southpaw. The rules you live by are flipped, and the southpaw has built their entire career on exploiting that one fundamental fact. Section 1. The experience gap. The fight is lost before it begins. Think about this. Only 10 to 12% of the population is left-handed. That means for every 10 fighters you face, maybe one will be a southpaw. Your entire muscle memory, your strategic planning is built for one type of fight, orthodox versus orthodox. But the southpaw? Their world is the mirror image. Almost every single person they fight is orthodox. Those awkward angles that feel alien to you, that's their natural habitat. They live in the open stance world. They have seen your best setups 1,000 times. You have barely seen theirs. This isn't a small edge. This is a massive gap in programming. The southpaw is fluent in your language, while you're struggling to read the first page of their book. You have to consciously think, while their attacks flew from habit. The fight becomes a race to adapt, and you are starting a lap behind. Section 2. The T position, the geometric cheat code. Now, let's get technical. This is the master key to the entire fight, the battle for the lead foot. Your number one job as an orthodox fighter is to get your lead left foot to the outside of their lead right foot. This is the dominant angle, often called the T position. Why? Because from here, your power hand has a straight, clean line to their chin. Meanwhile, their power hand is completely blocked by your body. You can hit them with both hands. They can barely hit you with one. It is a geometric cheat code. The problem is, southpaws are trained from day one to win this battle. It's the foundation of their entire system. Once they get their foot on the outside, their power left hand is lined up perfectly with your center line. You're trapped. Pivot left, your instinct, and you walk right into their power hand. Your offense is nullified, and you spend the rounds solving a puzzle, while they're firing their primary weapons from a safe, dominant angle. Section 3. The broken geometry. Why your best weapons fail. Your jab is supposed to be your key, the tool that controls the fight. Against a southpaw, it's neutralized. Your lead hands are on the same side, creating a constant hand-fighting battle that southpaws are masters of. They will parry, pin, and frame your jab, shutting down your primary tool. What about your best weapon? The straight right hand. Against an orthodox opponent, it's a straight line to the chin. Against a southpaw, that line is gone. Your punch has to travel further, across their body, making it telegraphed and easy to counter. All while the southpaw's straight left is a laser-guided missile beating you to the target every single time. And the liver shot? The human body's off switch? For you to hit their liver, you need to throw a looping left hook, which is a massive tell. But for the southpaw, your liver is on the open side. Their rear straight is a direct, unblocked shot to the most vulnerable point on your body. Section 4. The catalog of catastrophic mistakes. This combination of broken geometry and the experience gap forces orthodox fighters into the same fatal errors. First is the cardinal sin, circling the wrong way. Your instinct is to circle left, away from an orthodox fighter's power right. Do that against a southpaw, and you are walking directly into their power left. End of story. You have to reprogram your brain to circle right, towards their jab. Second is throwing naked power shots. Frustrated orthodox fighters start winging their right hand. This is a suicide mission.
A telegraphed right hand is an open invitation for a counter left that you will never see coming. Third is relying on your standard defense. The shoulder roll and rear hand parry are designed for orthodox attacks. You're trying to parry what you think is a jab, but it's their power hand. You're running defensive software for a different operating system. The result is a system crash. Now, it's easy to think the Southpaw stance is an unbeatable cheat code. It's not. Every puzzle has a solution, and every system can be hacked. Recognizing these problems is the first essential step. Your training isn't useless, it's just incomplete. In Part 2, we're giving you the blueprint. We will break down the specific drills, footwork patterns, and counterpunching systems you need to not just survive against a Southpaw, but to dismantle them. We'll show you how to win the lead foot battle and turn their advantages into your openings. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. You're not going to want to miss it. The reason your training feels useless against a Southpaw isn't that they're better. It's a problem of experience, positioning, and geometry. They are specialists in a world of generalists. The frustration of your tools breaking can beat you before a punch even lands. But now you know why. You understand the T position, the experience gap, and the broken angles. You see the traps. The next step is learning how to disarm them. Your training isn't useless, it's just waiting for the right software update. We'll see you in Part 2. Train smart, stay ready.